Hi everyone, today I'm going to take about 2 minutes to prepare this delicious healthy food. The first thing I'll do is I'll add the chickpea, that's a canned chickpea, rinsed very well. Then I'll add pitted olive, that's from the can also. Then I'll add the chopped jalapeno, tomato, and a little bit yellow onion. It's one jalapeno, one tomato, and a half of a yellow onion. Then what I'm using here is a tuna, albacore tuna. It is prepared in the olive oil, so I will not add any other oil. If you do not want to use the oil in it, you don't have to, but I love it the way it is because I'm not going to add any other oil, but it's really good. This one is a very tasty and it doesn't even smell like tuna. So I'll add salt and pepper. In addition, I'll add oregano. It doesn't really have to be organic, but oregano. Now the next thing I'll add is vinegar. I am using distilled vinegar, but we can use apple vinegar, any kind of vinegar you like to use. But the one I use is this one because it's tasteless and it's good for digestion. I'll add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And now I'll add lemon juice, but this is fresh lemon juice from home. It tastes really good. Now we finish. It's ready to eat in less than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe and share these videos to others. Thanks again.